Welcome to the Cryptomus channel. Many businesses have become more successful by accepting cryptocurrency. Today, we will explain how to set up your business account and enjoy all the benefits. On the homepage of the website, click on Log In or Register. You have several registration methods available. Use any of them. Navigate to your business wallet to get started. On the business wallet page, you will see your available balance and the history of your transactions. To get started, we strongly recommend familiarizing yourself with the API documentation, which can be found in the top right corner of your account. On the main page of the business wallet, you can choose a theme, dark or light, language, and view notifications. Now you can also select the currency in which your balance will be displayed. Let's continue. You can transfer money from your business wallet to any other wallet. To do this, go to the Transfer tab, select the currency for the transfer, choose the wallet you want to send money to, enter the transfer amount, and you're done. You've withdrawn money from your business wallet. To start accepting payments in cryptocurrency, you need to go through the merchant creation process. To do this, scroll down a bit and find the Merchants section. Click on Create New Merchant. Name your merchant. The name can be anything. Great! Now you can create a payment link and send it to your clients for payment. But what if you have your own website? You can enable payment generation directly on your website. Choose the option you need. Do you want to accept payments on your website or in a Telegram bot? We have a solution for both. Choose the option you need and start checking your project for API key generation. 1. Enter the link to your website or Telegram bot. Add a description for your project. 2. Confirm the domain using one of the presented methods. Using DNS, using a meta tag on your website, using an HTML file, owning a Telegram bot, if you are connecting the payment solution to your Telegram bot. After confirming the domain, your project will undergo moderation, after which an API key will be generated for your project. Congratulations! You can now accept cryptocurrency payments from all over the world. We look forward to your comments. Subscribe to our channel. We share a lot of interesting information.